Today's session I will discuss about tuple and set. We already discussed related to list. Now I will discuss tuple and set, and then lastly we will do a comparison when we should use list, when we should use tuple and set. Okay, so let's start the session. Tuple. In case of list, we use this bracket. Now in case of tuple, we used round bracket. This is called round bracket. Okay, this is the significant difference. When you see this bracket, you will understand that it is list. When you see this bracket, it will be tuple, and when you see this bracket, it is called set. I will discuss later today. Now let's discuss about tuple. We have to declare tuple using this round bracket. Suppose 21, 36, 14, 25. Okay, so in this way we can declare tuple. Tuple is also like list, collection of values like list. Okay, the difference, only difference is tuple is immutable and list is mutable, means you cannot change the value of tuple. Let's do few example. Write down. Suppose if I write tup then press enter, this value will appear 1425, right? Now if I write 1, this will give 36, as this is 0th element, first element, second, third, this way. But if we try to modify any value, suppose 30, so this will give error. We cannot modify because tuple is immutable, right? Okay, if I do top dot, okay, two things will appear only, count and index. You can check the index and you can count. Counts means if there is repetition. Suppose in a tuple we have 36 twice, so if I press, so this will show you that you have 36 twice, this way. And another thing is iteration in tuple is faster, as this is immutable, we cannot change, so iteration is much more faster than list. Okay, then set. As I mentioned, we have to declare set. Suppose s variable is equal to, using curly bracket. Curly bracket means it's set, round bracket means it's tuple. Problem is that set never follows any sequence. If you write s and enter, it will print the value. All value will be same, but the sequence will be different. It may be 14, 5, 22, 21. 25. It can be anything. You cannot predict now. And another thing, suppose I mean 25 s is equal to 25 40 98 75 63. Suppose I write 98 twice. So if I write s enter, output will be in any sequence, but this 98 will appear once. Okay, that is the thing. No index value. As there is no sequence, there is no index value. If I write, it will give error. Okay, as there is no sequence, you cannot identify any particular index value. This is the problem. And if I write s dot, like in case of list, tuple, there are so many options. In case of tuple, we have only two options, index and count. In case of say, we have few more options like add, like clear, like difference, like discard, like pop, like remove. All the operation you can do using set. So remember a few things. List, first one is list. Okay, go to the next slide. List is mutable. Okay, tuple is mutable. That's why you can change. In case of list you can change, but in case of tuple we cannot change any value. As per the requirement of the program, sometimes we have to use list, sometimes tuples. In some cases we will see that the value should not change, that time we should use list. Okay, these are the basic idea. We will do few example so that all the thing will be clear. Okay, for now, thank you.